VPFI!
Lesson 10. Listening. 1. I love you too. See you later. 2. You don't access the internet. 3. Do you listen to rock music? 4. I have an old motorcycle. 5. You don't speak Chinese with me. 6. Do you understand Italian? 7. I play the guitar on weekends too. 8. You don't love your puppy. 9. Do you go to church on weekends? 10. I speak about pets in English. 11. You don't understand your family. 12. Do you have Japanese friends? 13. I love to speak English with you too. 14. You don't go to the park alone. 15. Where do you study on weekends?